Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this incredible G20 320i Msport, presented in the black sapphire, and of course we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2019 plate, and not only that, you'll be able to see there that we've got the all-new BMW LED headlamps. And alongside that, thanks to the vehicle being presented in that fabulous black sapphire metallic, it's a very striking and a very sinister looking vehicle. Looks absolutely incredible in this colour. Down the side of the car, we've added the frozen black Mperformance side vinyls, and alongside that, of course, you incorporated in there now, you do get the Mperformance decals. Down the side, you'll also see the sun protection glazing, and again, this vehicle is in fantastic order. It's covered just over 16,000 miles and is a very, very nice car in terms of the options and features, all of which we're going to show you in a little bit more detail shortly. Of course, the G20 Ranger 3 Series do come very nicely spec'd anyway. In terms of your interior, we've got the black Venensky leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and again, should be able to see there that all of that is in fantastic condition. And of course, we get that very standout ambient lighting feature, which I'm going to show you a bit more of very shortly once we turn the car on in just in a moment. Msport sill plates, of course, and again, moving on to the rear seats, where we have an Isofix 3-seat rear bench and a centre folding armrest, and again, another addition for the G20 3 Series. Also, we now get a digital climate adjustment and view for rear passengers. We also still retain that lovely darkened Msport headlining, which works very nicely with all of that Venensky leather, and again, all clean and tidy in the rear. You now get, thankfully, split folding seats as standard on the saloon versions of the 3 Series, and again, we'll demonstrate that for you very shortly. Another addition we made was the carbon effect rear boot spoiler. We've gone for the black gloss rear diffuser, and of course those standout 3-dimensional rear lights, rear camera, and of course we've also got the parking assistant, and again, we're going to go into a bit more depth of that just in a moment. Huge boot space on the G20 3 Series, and as I mentioned, there is that split folding seats, and again, I'll just demonstrate that for you in 1 second. At the other side of the car, again, we can show you that the black sapphire metallic really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, and hopefully I'll just give you a couple of seconds to take in how very nicely presented this 320i is for you. And we'll take it quickly inside the back once more, just to show and demonstrate the split folding seat operation. So as you can see there, of course, that should have always been a standard feature, but however, it now is. And we'll quickly just show you once more that there you go, having that really does open that up a little bit. Moving on into the driver's side now, where again, as always with the G20s, there is a lot more to get through. So you're greeted, of course, with the larger professional wide navigation and media screen, along with the fantastic BMW Live cockpit. And we'll get by with starting the car up. We've of course got the 8-speed sports automatic, which is all new for the G20 3 Series. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter options, all on our very nice leather Msport steering wheel. As you can see there, we've currently got the map view up in the central display. Alongside that, we can of course customize this to something of our needs / wants, and there is a multitude to choose from. You can even have, just up here, I know the sun's shining through a little bit, so I'll try and get around that. There you go, you can even have a wide array of different visuals up here on the right hand side as well. Back over to this lovely 10.5 display, widescreen touchscreen navigation and media display. So you can see here, currently we're just in the regular home display. However, we can flick through effortlessly between customizable tabs / widgets. We can add our own variants of what we would like to see here. Again, it's much like your smartphone devices in that sort of sense. So you can add different news feeds, different weather feeds, and of course also different traveling feeds as well. Always very useful for when you're out and about. Back to the home screen again, so we'll tap into the navigation screen. A really nice feature, the fact that it is touchscreen, so you can simply scroll to where you would like to go to. So if we zoom in and go over here, for some reason, let's go back to the location we were in. We've gone over too far to France. We didn't want to be over there. There we go, that's more relative. So then you can simply tap and go to a destination that we would like to go to. Back at the home screen, in terms of Bluetooth, you do of course get Bluetooth telephone and audio. Alongside that, you get a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio, music collection, and as well as that, you can of course use the app station on here to add to and take away from certain devices that you can place onto the 10.5 touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. There is that fantastic reversing camera. So as you can see up here, we've got the park assist icon and reversing assist. The park assist will of course help to find a space for you when it sees one that is correct size for the car, and of course the reversing assist will mimic what you have done with the car. However, it will do it in backwards since you've last done it. I think it's the last 50 meters or 50 yards. I can't remember off the top of my head. However, it is a very useful system, and we have in fact trialed it coming back through our showroom door. So a very nice bit of kit. Alongside that, of course, being an all new 3 Series, we do also have the AI assistant, which again is a very fantastic and fun bit of kit to use. So there is our walk around video of the latest G20 3 Series to arrive here at your next car. Hopefully you found it useful. Any further information, remember to check out the link below and that will take you through to the website alongside contact details for ourselves here at your next car. Thank you very much, take care and goodbye.